Top benefits of repurposing video content into optimized clips. If you want to create a strong online presence, video content is the powerful tool you need to use. It engages viewers, increases brand visibility, and drives traffic to your website or social media platforms. However, creating original video content can be time-consuming and costly. That's where repurposing video content into optimized clips comes in. Why repurpose content? I have always been a huge proponent of repurposing content, as it is the gift that keeps on giving. Create one valuable piece of content and offer it to your viewers in different formats across multiple platforms. What are the top benefits of repurposing video? Saves time and resources. Extend your reach to new audiences and improve engagement. Boost website traffic and SEO. Enhance your social media presence. Maintain brand consistency. Repurpose evergreen content, such as tutorials, product demos, or industry insights, that remain relevant and valuable over time. Repurposing video content into optimized clips offers a range of benefits that can significantly enhance your marketing strategy. So, if you want to make the most of your video content, consider repurposing it into optimized clips and watch your brand soar to new heights. For more detailed information, read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.